morning, dear parents and my dear students. I am Dr. Astha Sharma, Principal of Aditya Global Business School, Surampalam. I hope that all of you are fine and in good health. Nowadays, whenever I am talking to different people in the surroundings, I find that all of them are very stressed because of COVID spread. I suggest all of you to keep calm and have patience and follow the guidelines of higher officials. As you know that we are running the CRT classes and CAT classes. The moment lockdown was announced, immediately after that we started giving online training for the same. We have completed our first phase successfully and now we are running the phase 2. CRT classes are very important. Have you ever thought why Aditya is having wonderful placement? It is because apart from the regular classes, we are giving training from day one regarding the arithmetic and logical reasoning. As you know that it is required for banking, manufacturing, accounting as well as for the selections in the campus. One of the rounds require the aptitude and reasoning knowledge. So I suggest all of you to be very serious regarding these classes and immediately after that the tests are there. So attempt. And I have seen that all of you are doing very well in that. I appreciate, congratulate, and I am very grateful to the parents who are supporting and motivating their wards. Even if you want to get through the XAT, MAT, ATMA, IPSAT and want any PG colleges in different places of India, you have to have the knowledge of the arithmetic and logical reasoning. So these CRT classes are very beneficial for you. Even we are having the CAT classes where you will be getting knowledge of data analysis interpretation, arithmetic, logical reasoning, statistics as well as the reading comprehension. If you do well, you will get through the IIMs of India. Very prestigious it will be. Not just for you but for your parents also. I just recommend all of you to be very fruitful and productive in these days because you are not coming to college but you can even do better by utilizing this time for your better career future. Thank you.